Hello guys, it's me, Jensen here, and today we're going to be learning how to install DWM and ST on Arch Linux. And if you try to do, the process to install DWM is very different to like other distros like Ubuntu, because you try to install it via the package manager, boom, you can't find it, it doesn't exist, it's not a package. And that means we have to create it from the source, and it's very easy to do that. So I'm just going to create a folder called source real quick. So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need to install git make this and these. So you want to install git make pkg-config and gcc. This will allow you to this is all the dependencies that you should need, along with xorg and stuff, but you probably have that anyways if you're wanting to install this. But once it's installed, you want to do git clone https://git.suckless.org/dwm. Let that clone, then st. And so I'm gonna compile st first because it's the terminal. And right here is where you can edit your config and stuff, but for now I'm just going to teach you how to install it. And the command to install it is sudo make clean install. If you install everything correctly, it will have no issues, and this is what should come up. So st is now installed, so I'm going to go back to the directory, and it is the same thing with it's the same thing with DWM, sudo make clean install, and if it works fine, it should pop up that. And so we're now going to go back to our home folder, and we need a certain file called .xinitrc, because that's our xrun commands. And so I'm going to be using vim for this, so I'm going to do vim .xinitrc. And basically, what you want to type in here, just to get it working, is exec DWM. And then you want to write that. This will just launch DWM. So I've written it, and now when I type start x, it will launch DWM. Wait, gotta wait a second. I held up. Okay, so you just want to type start x, and it should launch DWM. Where if you type if you type Alt and Enter, Alt Shift and Enter, it will bring up ST. Where to get it full screen, you type xrandor-s 920x1080, and boom, you just installed DWM and ST. Please subscribe and like. Bye bye.